In this sum number 30 of Basu Nayak, I am reading out this question. Mr. Shoibal Dhar is the owner of 2 house properties at Shiliguri and at Kolkata. That means Mr. Shoibal Dhar has 2 houses. One is at Shiliguri and another is at Kolkata. Shiliguri houses used for own residential purpose. That means the first house, that is the house situated at Shiliguri, is used for own residential purpose, and the other house, that is the Kolkata house, used as let out for tenants business. That means the Kolkata house is let out to a tenant who is using that house for his business purpose. Now furnished you the following information relating to the previous year 2020-21. Now remember this, in class 11 you have already done this as previous year and what is assessment year. You know that previous year is the income year in which an assessee earns his income, that is called previous year. That is a 12 months period. You know that. In class 11 your previous year was 2019-20, but in this class your previous year is 2020-21. That means any questions comes for tax, that will be for 2020-21, that is your previous year, and so the assessment year is the next to the previous year, that is 2021-22, that is your assessment year. Now the income and expenses furnished by Mr. Shoibal Dhar here. What is that? Municipal value for the Shiliguri house 4 lakh, for the Kolkata house 3 lakhs. Fair rent is given in per month basis. For Shiliguri house 15,000 per month, Kolkata house for 18,000 per month. Municipal tax paid. Here it is not mentioned who paid. In this case we will assume that municipal tax is paid by the owner, not the tenant. Municipal tax paid, so it is an allowable deduction. 14,000 for the Shiliguri house and 18,000 for the Kolkata house. Rent received, there is a mistake in the question. I have corrected it, that rent received per month. Rent received per month is for Shiliguri house no rent received, because the Shiliguri house is used by the owner for his own residential purpose, and for the Kolkata house rent per month is rupees 20,000. Land revenue, now it is an expenses, but it will not comes in your answer. I have already discussed which will allowed as deduction, which is allowed as deduction. There is no question of land revenue. Only 3 things is allowed as deduction. As one is municipal tax, number 2 is standard deduction, and number 3 is interest on loan. So anything other than these 3 is not allowed as deduction, so you have to ignore it. तुम लोगों को इग्नोर करना पड़ेगा अदर कोई एक्सपेंसेस रहेगा तो. यहाँ पे एक लैंड रेवेन्यू है, इसका कोई ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. Interest on loan 34,000 and 42,000, and loss due to vacancy for the Kolkata house, there is a loss due to vacancy is 2 months. Compute income from house properties for the assessment year 2021-22. Okay, now we will do these sums. At first you have to write the heading. In class 11 for income from salary you have written this heading. Same thing is here. एक ही टाइप का हेडिंग है, सिर्फ चेंज क्या होगा, what is the income, source of income. What I have written here, computation of income from house property. क्या कंप्यूट कर रहे हैं हम लोग? computation of income from house property. किसका? of Mr. Shoibal Dhar, a resident individual for the assessment year 2021-22, relating to the previous year 2020-21. Same heading as we have done in class 11 for income from salary Only this part has been changed in class 11. Here it is income from salary, and this in this year you have to write income from house property. Okay. For more than one house, you have to always prepare 3 amount column. If there is one house in your question, 2 amount column is okay. But in case of more than one house, you have to draw 3 amount column here. Okay. Here it is 3 amount column. I haven't written anything here. You may write here particulars. Okay. First, house 1 or Shiliguri house. Here I have written Shiliguri house because in the question it is written here Shiliguri house. If in the question it is written house number 1, you have to write house number 1. If in the question it is written first house, you have to write first house. What is the nature of occupancy? You have to write here. Shiliguri house is used by the owner for his own residential purpose. So you have to write here own residential purpose. Okay. Now, in case of own residential purpose, the question is answer is very easy. We know for the own residential purpose, annual value will be nil. No calculation you have to done here. For own residential purpose house, just write annual value under section 23 subsection 2 nil. Nothing else. Okay. And in case of own residential house, there is no questions of other expenses, no municipality tax, no standard deduction. Only one expenses is allowed as deduction, that is interest on loan. So interest on loan under section 24 clause B given in the question is 34,000. So from nil means 0. From 0 we are deducting 34,000. It will come negative 34,000. That means from the first house, Mr. Shoibal Dhar has a negative income. That means not income, this is a loss from his first house. Okay. Now come to the second house. Second house is Kolkata house. Right here, let out for tenants business. This is the nature of occupancy. Now, in case of step 1, first you have to write municipal value. Municipal value is given in the question, that is rupees 3 lakhs. Fair rent given in the question as per month basis 18,000 per month. So we have to you have to convert it into annual purpose annually. Fair rent 18,000 into 12, that is 2,16,000. Now come to the step 2, that is reasonable expected rent. And what will be the amount of reasonable expected rent? That is the step higher of step 1. Here there is no standard deduction. So answer is very easy. You have to just write the higher of step 1. Higher of step 1 is 3 lakh. Now compare it with annual rent. Annual rent is also given in the question 20,000 per month. Though there is a 2 months vacancy period, you have to take for 12 months because we are taking here annual rent. Annual rent means total year's rent. Okay. So 20,000 into 12, that is 2,40,000 is the annual rent. Now compare these two. Come to step 3. In case of step 3, higher of step 2 you have to choose. Higher of step 2 is 3 lakh. From this 3 lakh, you have to deduct loss due to vacancy. In the question, it is given 2 months vacancy period is there. And per month rent is 20,000. 20,000 multiplied by 2 because there is a 2 months vacancy. That is 40,000 is loss due to vacancy. So gross annual value comes 2,60,000 after deducting 40,000 from these 3 lakhs. This is your gross annual value. Now the municipal tax. Municipal tax given in the question 18,000 and paid. It is not mentioned who paid. You have to assume that it is paid by the owner. and so it is an allowable deduction. Deduct this municipal tax from the gross annual value. You will get net annual value. From 2,60,000, I am deducting 18,000. This is 2,42,000. This is your net annual value. From this net annual value, there will be two deductions only. One is standard deduction. You have to write less deduction under section 24. These two deductions comes under section 24. So you have to write deduction under section 24. Number A, standard deduction at the rate of 30% on NAV. NAV means net annual value. Okay, 30% it is mentioned in the theory part. I have already told you. So 2,42,000 multiplied by 30%, that will come 72,600. And interest on loan is also given in the question, that is 42,000. So we are adding this to deductible part and it will come 1,14,600. This is the total deductible amount. So from the net annual value you have to deduct this 1,14,600 and it comes 1,27,400. This amount is the income from the second house, that is the Kolkata house. Now there is a two house. One house earns loss and another house earns income. So income from house property of that person is aggregate of these two. Now one is negative, another is positive. Negative and positive, you have to deduct it. From the income you have to deduct this loss part, okay, negative part, and it will come 93,400. This is the total income from house property. That means this loss from the first house is set off from the income of another house of that person in a particular previous year. So income from house property is 93,400.